delicious. It's amazing. We've eaten it in our trip to Cuba a lot. It is amazing. So good.
That was our last trip to Cuba.
Yeah. Well, we can still make it.
Soon. Hopefully we can go back soon.
Yes. So now...
The kitchen rules.
Kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your work area is clean, have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is coffee table! That's not correct, so let's try it again. Scoochie, 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 scoochie. Let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is simple first. Bam! So now let's get cooking. These are the ingredients for our chicken.
To marinate our chicken.
Yes. We're gonna need about 3 pounds of chicken. Yeah. And you can use chicken thighs and chicken thighs. Yeah, just chicken.
But do not use chicken breast. It's too dry.
So
Jinx, Black Eye can't talk until said the name 5 times. Okay, I'm Jinx.
we're gonna need orange juice. We're gonna need
White cooking wine,
we're gonna need lime juice,
garlic, pepper, and salt.
So now we're also gonna need a bag.
Of pinchas.
So we're gonna put our chicken.
Quack.
Okay.
Open. Whoa, chicken number 1. Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side?
No, because the chicken farted next to the chickens.
What?
Eyeball. Oh, wait, no.
Pour all of our ingredients into our chicken bag, and then we're gonna let it marinate for 3 hours or a day.
Hold on. Cooking wine. Lime juice.
Don't jinx it, please, or else I'm gonna keep going. And the salt and the pepper. Shake. Wait, close it. You're not even seeing. And now we're going to
Marinate it.
shake it. Make sure you shake it.
Okay.
I think she meant the chicken.
Yeah.
Shake your chicken.
Shake it. Again, I did not mean you, but okay. So now we're gonna let it marinate for 3 hours or overnight. If you put it overnight, the chicken will taste better. But if you don't have time, you can do it for 3 hours at least. And then, that's all. So we're just gonna let it marinate. So let's get to it. Our chicken is done marinating. So now we're just gonna open our bag, put it on a paper towel so we can dry it. Because if we put it to saute in our Instapot with the liquid, it's gonna start popping with the oil. So we don't want that. We're just gonna dry it, put it in.
Safety
first. Okay, ready? Grab chickens. Right. I'm not gonna need that. We're gonna save our marinade
Because we need some for our sofrito.
So we're going to pat our chicken with our...
Let me get more. It is me, Paper Man.
What? Okay, pat it. We're going to get a chicken piece, and we're going to pat it dry,
And then
put it in our bowl. That's great. Good.
get all of the juice out.
Now we're gonna get our Instapot, our amazing Instapot, And we're gonna put it to saute.
My best friend.
Yeah, our best friend. And now we're gonna wait for it to heat up, and then we're gonna put our oil. It's a fourth a cup of oil. Okay, that means we can put it in. So, fourth a cup of good.
So our oil is ready. Don't let it drop. You're gonna get burned, and that's not good. You're gonna wait until it's all the way down. Do not just let it go like that. We flipped our chicken, and that's how it's gonna look when it's done. So we're gonna keep on doing it, and when we're done with them, we're gonna put them in that bowl. And we're gonna repeat the process until we finish all of it. Looking good, yeah? Thank you. So my chicken is ready. I'm just gonna slowly take it out and put it in the bowl. And then I'm gonna repeat the process until it's done.
So we'll see you when it's done. And
So when you get out your chicken, you have to cover it. So you have to cover it so it can keep all of the juice.
how's the chicken going? It's done?
No, there's still some in there, and there's some with that.
Well, we can still eat it when it's done.
Yummy in my tummy. Let's go play. Ingredients. We're gonna need yellow red pepper, garlic, green bell pepper, and onion.
And we're gonna need
2 bay leaves,
yeah,
cumin,
chicken
salt,
flavoring, oregano,
our marinade, tomato paste, tomato sauce, white cooking wine, potatoes,
little potatoes because they cook faster,
olives, and
bell peppers.
In slices.
yep.
So now we're gonna start.
So we're gonna put our green onion and green onion.
Our green bell pepper and our onion.
And we're using the same oil where you guys deep fry the chicken? Okay.
Now we're gonna put our yellow onion. Mix.
That is bell
The
pepper.
yellow bell pepper, not the onion.
This is just like if it's on a pan, but instead it's just
Yes, you can do it on a pan or you can do it in the Instapot.
Into the pot.
It's the same step.
yeah. So we're gonna pour our garlic. Why when you smell your garlic, you have to put your seasonings.
Yep. Mix. Oh, we're beginning to smell our garlic, so we're gonna put our seasoning, but wait on the salt. Because the olives are gonna have salt, so we're gonna wait until we're done pouring everything in and then taste it, and then if we need salt, we're gonna put salt. And it's 3 bay leaves, not 2. We missed said.
It's because they're small.
Yeah.
And one was hiding behind the other.
Yeah. Still left.
Don't worry, we could just leave that with the salt. Smells amazing.
Okay, so we're just gonna do that for 2 minutes and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Okay.
Now we're gonna mix together our white cooking wine, our marinade from our chicken, our tomato paste, and tomato sauce. Good?
Yes.
Smells amazing.
Tomato sauce.
It does.
And
I cannot wait to try
we're
it.
gonna pour it into our
Sofrito.
in making. Here.
Careful. Slowly, 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 slowly.
Okay. Now we're gonna put our olives. Olive time. Sorry.
Let's taste it.
Grab some. Good.
Amazing.
Okay, so we don't need any more salt for this.
No.
It's good.
The salt is perfect. The olives actually gave it a very salty flavor. Now we're gonna put
Our
our
potatoes and our bell peppers. And then our chicken. Go in. You got that one out. Oh! There you go. And now for the last ingredient.
the chicken.
So carefully add it back in there. Looks good.
It smells so good. So we're waiting. We're gonna turn it off of saute.
Let me show them how it looks.
We're gonna put it to the menu.
It looks amazing.
Yep.
Okay, so you're gonna put it to manual and you're forgetting something.
The lid.
Yes. How we are gonna cook our chicken.
Good.
So when we're done with saute, we're gonna press cancel. Then we're gonna press manual. So we're gonna let it cook for 25 minutes.
And then
After that is done, we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna open our crock pot, Instapot.
and then we can taste it. For our rice, we're gonna need we're gonna need 1.5 cup of rice.
It's already rinsed.
Yeah, it's already rinsed. We're gonna need 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt,
You can add more if you want, that's okay.
and then we're gonna need a tablespoon of oil. So now we're just gonna get started. Put your rice. And put our water. Oil. And our salt. Mix it and then put it in our rice cooker. So now we're gonna put our rice in our rice cooker. Close it.
We're gonna turn it on.
We're gonna put rice, white rice, and it's already cooking. We just wait for it to turn on. Yeah, perfect.
We're gonna make plantain chips. It tastes
No, those are not chips. The chips you use the green plantains, and these are yellow like bananas.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna make sweet bananas.
They go amazing with rice and our frijol.
Frijol.
Frita.
Frida, you're gonna eat Frida. Fricasé.
Fricasee. Jinx, Black Eyed Cat, that's Sosa's name. What?
Eileen.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll see you. Actually, we're gonna see you because we're gonna make our bananas.
How we're gonna cut our plantains. You're gonna go other side. We're just gonna go split down. Peel. There's 2 ways to do it, to cut it. You could go like this, like sideways, or you could just go like that in circles. So I'm just gonna put it on the plate and do the same with my other banana. So they're starting to get cooked. They don't cook. They get cooked fast. So when they're cooked, we're gonna put them on a napkin on a plate and poking it and dropping it and waiting for them to get fried.
It's ready!
And while we were cooking our rice, we made
while we were cooking our chicken, we made rice and plátanos fritos.
and they were all done at the same time. So now
To try it! Some chicken. I want chicken too.
It's so good.
So
We
good.
better eat it before Papa eats it.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's eat it. It's so tender.
Tenderly.
Are you guys sharing with me? Un pedacito.
You could get this. You could get the big plate.
Okay.
It's delicious.
So
Now, bye! Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding! I hope you put a smile on your